just bleached my hair and I feel like I'm so motivated to do my videos. I just bought the Ipsa, a lot of their products that I bought. So I was so impressed by their service. They have the booth near my workplace. They would test your skin to see the hydration, how you eat salt, I think, and how the level of skin turning over. Is it good or is it not? And I got the drier skin. I was so impressed that they could check it like that, like how your skin hasn't been turning over well. You're not eating well, so that's why they could sell me a lot of products, I think. And I got a cleansing oil, cleansing foam, and the metabolizer, the time reset aqua. So I think this like emulsion. Both of them are, I think. But I'm gonna shower and I'm gonna use this one. I would like to stick to my old skincare and I would like to try the Time Aqua Reset and this Metabolizer number 8. And this number 8 is the thickest one because I got a test on my skin and it said that I have the driest skin ever. So I got this one and let's unpack it. Just feel like I have too many foams at home right now. And I have too many cleansing oil and I kind of love it. It's from Muji. And I happen to buy this one also. But let's try these two that I want to try the most. This packaging is quite beautiful and fancy. By the way, it's so expensive if they don't have the promotion or discount or anything. But oh my god, it looks so beautiful. Feels like couldn't smell anything, but I think I smell like those kind of fancy skincare that feels like ocean smell. I don't know how to explain, but it's something like that and it's kind of nice. Next product, the salesperson told me that this one would sell with their cotton pads, but I try not to use cotton pads anymore. I have really dry skin and sometimes those things make my skin drier and it scratch my face. I know that sounds dramatic, but that's how I feel. Like because I put a lot of makeup on and if I use those kind of thing, I'm so not into it and I use like 10 pads just to clean one time. And this one is a skincare and when I don't have anything on my face, bare face, my face is more sensitive than that. So I'm gonna just try to use this one as like after this. So I feel like I'm gonna use this one as a toner and this one as a emulsion. The packaging and everything looks, I mean, amazing, fancy. Yeah, it's so expensive, but if it's good, then alright guys, I'm gonna shower and I'll be right back. I changed my mind, so for the sake of the video, let's reveal everything. So I always double cleanse and cleansing oil is what I need. It's not translucent, it's opaque, I think. The plastic is feels kind of cheap, but I forgot the price that I bought. But I got a lot of discount though. But the regular price still so expensive. The last one that I'm gonna review is the Ipsa. Ipsa Principle. Hope you can see it on camera. They make it feel like I can like recycle these bottles. I'm not so sure about that. I'll update you guys later, but that's how I feel. So I'm gonna use these products for 10 days and I'm gonna get my skin test again to see if it works. I'm not sure how long does it say to use this one and get the improvement, but let's see. So first thing first. So liquidy, so runny. Feels more like super. The smell is so nice. It's not that oily cleansing oil. I think for my feeling, I think it's more like feel like I use so much. So third palm now. One thing that I feel, it feels so soft and luxury, but I feel like I have to use a lot of product to get this effect. That's just my opinion though. But it feels super soft now. You need to use a lot of it. I feel like it doesn't get it off instantly, but you need to take time to massage it, and it makes this oil so soft. It's just you need to use a lot of it. This is way more than I normally use my cleansing oil, and today I don't put that much makeup on, but anyways. Alright, just wash my face and let's try. So everything I got is for dry skin, and I have dry skins. Looks like shampoo. So that's my first pump. Oh, this feels super foamy and super soft. I've been using those like non-foamy thing for quite some time, and I think I tend to love this kind of stuff more. Like it feels more clean. That's just my opinion though. I don't like the smell at all. It feels like some kind of chemical, but not that bad. But anyway, I don't like it. Get your neck. Feel like I need to shower. Okay guys, I'll shower and I'll be right back. So it feels really soft to the skin. That's my first impression. Get your ears. Super soft. This feels so good. Really soft. It's foamy, but it's not that foamy. It's still soft, like emulsion mixed with cleanser. So maybe they have more hydrating ingredients. Alright guys, I'm back and I didn't dry my face. I'll leave it like that. Let's put it on. So I'm gonna try with 3 drops, but it's almost half of my hands. I love the smell so much. Smell like Bioderm that I used to use. Smell like ocean. Therapeutic kind of thing. Since my hair is still damp and I don't feel like makes my skin kind of dry, maybe I use 1 drop more. It's a big drop. Maybe 3 is enough. But okay. I'll let it sit for maybe a few minutes and I'll go with the next one. Feels hydrated, but it's kind of dry on my forehead. But forehead may be one of the driest areas of your skin, I think. Anyway, let's go to the next one. Metabolizer, number 8, the thickest one, I suppose. So that would be half pound, and I put half a pound of that. Couldn't smell anything on this. So moisturizing. So, this feels so moisturizing. It feels so good. Oh. You can see the instant glow that is super thick but absorb to the skin so quick, and this feels really hydrating. Oh my god, this is a good review, I think. Alright, while I let it absorb, I'm gonna get dressed and I'm gonna put more products on my skin. Normally right now I'm gonna use rosehip oil, but this makes me feel amazing already. Without a face oil, and it looks so glowy, so I think it did a great job. Alright, before I put on retinol, I'm gonna use the CeraVe Nourishing Cream, one of the best face cream that I love so much. So hydrating. Oh, I put it too much. Alright guys, from now on I'm gonna use this water before the metabolizer, after that, and then sunscreen. And for nighttime I'm gonna use something like this, the toner, this one, cream, and retinol. So I'll be right back again. Hi guys, I'm back. It's been forever and I don't have time to go back to the Ipsa shop to get a skin test after I try all of their products. But I would say overall I love these products so much. The cleanser is really high end. It gives you the best feeling when you wash your face, and you have nothing bad to say about this. Cream, lotion, and moisturizer, I love those as well, even though the price is kind of high up, but that's okay. Also, for the cleanser, it's really mild, soft, and really easy to wash your face. So I have nothing bad to say about this. It's just I don't have time to go back to get a skin test to see how good it is, and you can tell how your skin pigmentation, how it is, and skin turnover is good or not good. So they are so professional about that, but it's just I don't have time to go back anymore. I'm so sorry for that part, but for the review and how I feel about these, they are so amazing, and I would love to try these out again. So thank you so much for watching, guys.